Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, or afternoon, or maybe even evening, depending on where you are in the world. So as you guys are aware, about a couple weeks ago, they made a statement saying that on the 8th to the 13th, TradeLocker and all these other platforms that we're using with the Forex Funder are going to temporarily be suspended because they're moving everyone over to MetaTrader 5. I remember finding this out not because they tweeted out anything, but because I went to log into my TradeLocker and I couldn't get in. I hit up the chat support. They told me, yeah, this is what's going to happen, but by the 13th of August, everything should be good. It is on the 14th of August, so let's see if we can log into our account. Well, what do we have here? Typical fashion of the Forex Funder. They give you a date and a promise, and for some strange reason, they can never fulfill that. Guys, I've said this multiple times, okay? I'm just going to even just get out of this. I've said this multiple times, guys. If you are trading with these guys, don't hold your breath. Everyone who I've spoken to so far, both prior to the migration and after the migration, those who were waiting for it before the migration, those who earned the payout after the migration, no one is getting paid. I don't know what else to say, okay? People ask me every day, any update on them? I know just as much as you guys. Nothing, okay? This is not a reputable company. This is not a company that's doing well. This is not a company that has a good track history or record of fulfilling their promises, guys. All right? They're not paying nobody out. They're not doing what they promised, and this is where we are. So I just want to update you guys real quick. There's a slim chance that maybe they will somehow recover before the day's over or maybe before the week's over. We don't know. But either way, does it matter? Like, this is what they've done this 3 times already. If you are trading with them, look elsewhere. Okay? Put your money in other things. Do not invest, trade, buy their challenges. This is not a good place to put your money. So I just want to update you guys real quick to let you know this is what's going on with the website. We can't even log in anymore. It's just a shame. You can't even go on the site. You can't do anything. They just keep moving us over, playing hopscotch with our accounts. Guys, I'm over this whole thing, man. I'm over this whole thing. I'm not disturbed. I said this like 7 videos ago. I don't care about the money. I think when I bought the challenge, it was like $200 and something. That's nothing. I don't care about that at all. What I feel bad for is all the people that are getting destroyed. The amount of people that message me and tell me what they've gone through and what they've given up to make this happen and all that's basically weighing on them. This is wrong. Like, this is wrong. This shouldn't be. A company should not be able to do this and get away for free. Unfortunately, the platforms are a bit of a wild west, so it's really difficult to take any action against them. But I hope one day, some way, somehow, these things are regulated and justice is brought to light. With that being said, I'm not trying to make this a personal video. It's just an update on what's going on. So if you're wondering what's going on with the Forex Funder, this is it. There's no statements on Twitter or X that I could see. I didn't see anything on Telegram, Instagram, nothing. They're just silently doing this. Typical Forex Funder behavior. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I appreciate and love each and every one of you, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.